Hi guys, my name is Travis here at AFMK, and today I want to talk to you about some simple in-home dishwasher maintenance. So right here, I have 4 different dishwashers. I have an LG, we have a GE Cafe, a KitchenAid, and we have a Samsung. And as you can see, inside of all these dishwashers, we have a removable filter. Just reach in, unscrews, and comes out. So all dishwashers are going to have 2 filters. You're going to have your coarse filter, and you're going to have your fine filter. Now what you want to do is about every month or so, you want to make sure you're checking these out and cleaning them out. It's a very overlooked part of your dishwasher, but maintaining this and keeping it clean is going to help keep your dishes clean. You're going to notice less food residue on it. So they're very easy. I would just take a screw in and out. This one's a little bit of a fighter, so we can make it work. Go. So nice and simple with that. Same thing over here with our GE Cafe. Much easier, screws in and out. As you can see, we test these, so there's going to be a little bit of residue on there, but you can just run this underneath some hot water in your sink. Comes apart internally as well, so this is going to matter for whatever model you have. But again, taking care of your dishwasher is going to help it take care of your dishes a lot better. Over here is our KitchenAid model. You can see they're all very standard. Same in and out maneuver for all of them, regardless of what you have. And then again with the Samsung here. So again, coarse filter and your fine filter. This is just going to keep whenever you have all your dirty dishes in here, all your food residue and extra gunk that comes off them is going to build up in there. So you want to make sure about every month or so you're running this under some hot water, putting some cleaner in your dishwasher, and it'll help take care of everything even better for you. As you can see, it's going to be on every style of dishwasher. If you have a dishwasher, you have a filter. Thanks for watching this short video. I hope it helps you out. Just be sure to like and subscribe and follow our channel. Thank you.